Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be emptying out all of this stuff because the wallpaper lady is finally going to come and put the wallpaper up. But I have to get all this stuff out of here. Fun. It's several hours later and you can see we got everything off the walls and we moved the desk. So I've moved the sewing machine desk over here, right here. And then I have my other desk temporarily over here. And we'll move all that back once the wallpaper goes in. And this is the wallpaper back here. So I'm really excited. This wonderful woman who came and hanged my wallpaper today. It looks fabulous. Got the shelves and the pegboard back up. Look how pretty this paper is. So pretty. I'm making some progress on getting my items back organized in here. I have populated the pegboard, pretty much put everything that was there back. But on these shelves over here, I decided to put some books over there because I think that looks nicer on the wallpaper wall. And then I moved all of my ephemera pieces up here onto this shelf. So I think I'm liking how that's going. So still have a lot more organizing to do, but making some progress. I will do a full video soon once I kind of get it to a point where I think I am done-ish. Thanks so much for watching. See y'all in the next video. Love ya.